So first you have to log into your hosting account. Then you have to add the domain. So from here you can add the domain. So when you can see here, I am adding the domain handyinfo.in. So what it says, ownership verified. The name server for the domain are currently set to. Okay. So this person has already set the DNS. So that is proper. If it is not proper, it will say unable to verify. Then I cannot add this domain to my account. Now I click assign this domain. Okay. So now this domain is assigned now to this host. So now what we have to do is we have to install WordPress. So I go to my sites. Site. The first one. GoDaddy, when you're opening in your system, is it giving this error? No. Wrong with this system only. Okay. So now the WordPress is installed on this domain. Okay. Aarti, which is the domain on which you want to install WordPress? You can switch on your mic, Aarti.
It's a homedecors.blog.
Okay. So now everyone see here, she has already purchased hosting and domain, both the things. Now how to work if you are taking hosting and domain, both of the things. So here is the domain. And when you scroll down, you will have web hosting. Okay, so you have to go to manage. So you have seen there hosting with control panel. It was given there. Okay, now you see here what it says, control panel admin. So I have to manage my hosting in here, then I have to log into my control panel. So control panel of GoDaddy is different and Bluehost is different. Yeah, she has taken, yeah, yes. So now you see this is the cPanel of GoDaddy. Okay. Now I want to install WordPress. So previously it was outside only. When I search WordPress, I can find it. But nowadays they are giving under Softaculous. So okay. So web application you can see here WordPress. So I have to scroll down till here and then I have to search for WordPress. I have to click on WordPress. Normally it should come here, but it is not coming. So I click on WordPress. Then I will click on my application and I will see if it is installed or not. So homedecors.blog is already installed WordPress. So WordPress is already installed in here. So we'll just see. Okay, so some problem is coming. So what we do is I will uninstall this version and I will install again. Okay, uninstalled. Now it is 0. Application browser. Scroll down. Select on WordPress. Install this application. And now you have to choose your domain name on which you want to install. So while choosing your domain name, you have to make sure that you are choosing the right domain. If I click in here, you can see it says HTTP home decors. It says HTTP www.homedecors, HTTPS home decors. Now which one to select? So now you have to make sure if you have not taken SSL. SSL is Security Service License. If you have not taken that, you have to install it on HTTP version. If you have purchased SSL along with your hosting and domain, you have to install it on HTTPS because you already have the license. If you don't have HTTP, or else what will happen is if you are installing on HTTPS, the same kind of thing is going to happen. Right now, what is happening with GoDaddy? It is asking me it is not secured. I click on advanced. So most of the people do not know that, they will simply close the website. Okay. Okay. So SSL is included in the hosting. So now where do I install? HTTPS. So in HTTPS, I don't take www.version. I will take just HTTPS homedecors.com. This is a longer one. I don't want to go with this. I just want to go with the shorter one. And In GoDaddy, most of the times there is a problem when you install on www version. So this is the best option. Now it is asking for directory. Now, if anyone wants to open your website, should they open homedecors.blog or else homedecors.blog/home? That is the home page. If anyone wants to open Amazon, amazon.in or amazon.in/amazon, amazon.in. So that is the reason you don't have to give any directory. If you write something in here, your website is going to open like this. So this has to be blank. Next is version language, EULA, automatic update, nothing to be done in here. You have to set your username and password. Username, no space. So I'm giving here admin. Password, I am putting the same. You can change the password today. Okay. Now administrator email. So email you can give admin@homedecors.com. Okay. Now website title. Title is nothing but name of the website. Home Decors. Tagline. You can give some tagline. So for now it is by default whatever it is. You can change it later. Nothing to be changed. Anything else? You just click on install. So when we install WordPress on GoDaddy servers, sometimes it takes little time to be live. So this is done and we'll install on yours. Yeah, anyone wants to do this? Okay, now he will do, you can see. To assign the domain first. Domains.
Assign domain.
Just check whether your domain is present or not.
No.
Yeah, everyone guiding what to do next.
Transfer domain.
No. You have to assign the domain. No, that's it. Generated is internet is slow.
So we have already logged into your Bluehost at login, right? Then we are
Just click on the third tab. WordPress. Click on homedecors.blog. No, not blog.
no, it is not.
Homedecors.blog.
So
So we have installed it. It will take some time. So that is. Wait. Yes. So it would be there.
Create site.
Oh, site name is your business name. Business name is exploring space for capital.
I guess I wrote it as. It can be different, right?
It can be exploring for single word as E capital.
Can it be something else?
No, site name is your business name. It cannot be something. Site tagline you can put if you have something. No. Advanced. Super advanced. Hold on. Username password.
This is for the server.
You can keep the
Username.
username can be. You can put your email address.
Yeah, I want. Next.
Choose your domain from the top. No.
It's very low.
No. Start.
Yep. I'll go next. It will install.
Yes. So you get the login of WordPress. You cannot access control panel. So now Aarti has taken both the things, so she can access control panel. Yeah, so it will take some time, then it will be like Aarti. So GoDaddy is slow. So maximum time within 24 hours it happens in GoDaddy.
So once you transfer your data from Blogspot to the, so we keep Blogspot as well.
No, you remove that. Duplicacy happens. Both are on online. Online is a single platform. Okay, so this is your website. So now everyone know how to create menu items. Yesterday we have seen how to create pages, how to create post. Yeah, anyone don't know, just tell. You came yesterday. Yesterday you didn't came. You came yesterday. After the class, we are taking a backup class at 12:30. So in that you can learn. Okay. So yesterday, which domain we were working? No. Now see, if you are hosting, you can create a professional email ID as well. So professional, for creating that, you just go to email. Create contact at homedecor.blog.
If you are not paid for the email earlier when you are buying the.
Still, if you have hosting account, you can get it free. So that is all gimmick to make money from it. So if you are buying hosting also, still they will push that, but you can create it from there. So now we have created some menu items yesterday. In destination, east, west, north, south. Okay, about us, contact us, home. Now in east, let's create one more. So we have created a post yesterday. One post we have created. So category Hyderabad. So add to menu. So it is in south. So as this was the parent and this was the child, so automatically it came at the right place. Or else what happens is when you are adding, it will go at the bottom most of the times. We have one more. Sorry.
You can also draw.
Yeah, we can drag and make it a submit. Okay. So in south we have Hyderabad. So when I click on Hyderabad, okay. So now once you have created the basic outline of your website, what you have to do is you have to take a backup. So for taking backup, you have to install plugin. So whatever you are doing in WordPress, you have to use most of the times you have to use plugins. What is a plugin? Plugin is nothing but it is a small software which is designed for WordPress, which is going to activate some features on your website. So I go to plugins. Then you have to add new, and I have to search for WP all in one. WP space all space in space one. So once you search this, you will get this plugin which is all in one WP migration. So I have to install and activate this. Okay. Now you can see here all in one WP migration. So now what I have to do is I have to export. I have to take the backup. So I click on export. I click here, export to file. Now it is generating the backup file. So this is one of the best plugin which is going to take everything from your website. Whatever themes you have installed, whatever plugins you are having, whatever content you are having, for everything it will take the backup. So it is 167 MB. So once I click, now it is being downloaded. Okay. And once you download this, again, this is not a executable file. You cannot install, you cannot view, you cannot do anything. This is just for restoring. So you should not open it and say it is not working. So once it is downloaded, now you have to rename this so that you can understand. Okay, so now what all things has been done in this? Menu item is done, basic theme is done. So I rename this as all menu items done. Or else you can put the date, on which date this backup you have taken, and you have to store it in your folder at the right place, or else later on it will be a problem searching for it. So say
whatever the data we have downloaded currently will only be saved and tomorrow will be post.
so it won't be there.
So if I download it again, so it will be duplicating file or is it?
No, it will generate a new file. Yes. So if you are creating one more post tomorrow, you want to take the backup, you take the backup. It is up to you. Or else after 1 week you take the backup. So you have to take the backup if you are doing a regular post on your website. So you create 3-4 new posts, you take the backup. You again create 3-4 new posts, you take the backup. So regular backup has to be done. Why? Because if something happens, if someone is hacking your website, you have the data. If someone hacked your website, you don't have the backup, gone. So much effort you have put, and after that you say, now leave it, I cannot, gone. Okay, so that is the reason backup is mandatory. So in WordPress, you have 3 things. One is themes. So what is a theme? Theme is nothing but it is giving a structure to the website. Now your menu item has to come here, your blogs has to come at this place, or it has to come at this place. It is giving a structure to the website. If I talk about plugins, it is giving features to your website. What should happen? If I am installing a backup plugin, it should take the backup. If I am installing some other plugin, it has to activate some features. Now widget. So widget is like Windows 7 you might have used. In Windows 7, you have seen there were a lot of widgets. On the desktop, you can add a clock, you can add a calendar, a lot of things were there. So same way, we can add different widgets in particular area. So we have sidebar and we have footer area. So we can add widget on the sidebar or footer area. So again, this sidebar and footer area depends on the theme what you have chosen. So few themes give you sidebar on the right hand side, a few themes give you sidebar on the left hand side. Few theme will give you one footer area, few theme will give you multiple footer area. So we'll see that. So appearance, widgets. Okay, so blog sidebar widget area. So this is your, so if I go to blog, you can see here widgets. So one is search, one is recent post, and one is recent comment. So these are the widget. You want to add something else. So I click on add a blog. What you want to add? I want to add a calendar. So I have a calendar. I click it and then I update.
In widget area.
In widget area. You see now calendar is available. So like this, whatever you want, you can put in the widget area. And this widget is going to be constant on every page or else post. Now what it says, blog sidebar widget area. So blog is what? blog is nothing but post. So in all the post, whatever you create, this sidebar is going to be available. So we'll see. So we just have one post for now.
But that's only for our use.
No, this for users, they can search from here. They can see what is the latest post. They can see what is the recent comment. So they can access the data from here. Now we have trashed something. So okay, so you can see it is coming here as well. Your widget area. Now when I clicked on this, it was coming. When I click this, now widget is coming. So with widget, what happens is they can access the things faster. Now recent post, whatever is the recent post, they can access it from here. So say they went inside some of the post. They want to go back. They can click in here and they can go back, or else they can access recent post from here. So top 3 post is going to come in here. They can see recent comment, what is there. They want to search something, they can search. They want to see the calendar, okay, what is the date today. So like this, a widget can be added in the widget area. Now coming to your comments. So when someone is putting a comment on your blog post, now blog post is two-way communication. When someone is putting the comment, it is coming in here. Okay, so you have the option to edit the comment also. So we feel many times that this very good comments are there on most of the websites. So this can be edited, but the comments on like Google, Glassdoor, Mouthshut, that cannot be edited. If it is your own WordPress website, it can be edited. So you want, you can reply from here. You now this is already approved. You want to unapprove, you can unapprove. So it won't it won't be live. So right now it is live on website. You want to edit, quick edit. You want to edit complete thing, you can edit it. You can put it as spam. You can put it as trash. So if you are putting as spam, so whatever is coming from this website later on, it won't be live. Automatically it will be spam. But if you delete, this person can post again on the website. So this is your comment. Media. So whatever media you are uploading, you can access it here. Your images, your videos, and everything can be accessed from here. So there are a few settings. So under settings, you have to click on permalink. And in permalink, if you see right now, what is happening is whenever you create any new post, you are getting the URL as question mark p is equal to 1, 2, 3 or 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. So that doesn't looks nice. So what I do is I click on post name. So whatever you are giving the title, based on the title, your URL will be generated automatically. So it helps in ranking as well. So we change this and we save changes. Now next is in setting, you have to click on general.
The remote,
Once again,
we have to remove the last name.
where?
Percentage post name.
No, this is custom. If you want to keep something, you don't have to do anything in here. You just have to select post name.
So it will come in login only.
In the names, like the different names, you have to select post name or otherwise you have to compulsory.
You have to compulsory put post name only, nothing else. So, so post name will take the title. You will see the difference. You see here, it is taken from the title, and previously it was like question mark p equal to 234. So it will automatically take. So if URL is having the terms in here, then it is good for you to rank in Google. It is one of the advantages. So that is the reason we, instead of plain text, we change it to post name. We don't do anything else. We just save the changes. Now going to general. This is the site title, what we have given. This is the tagline, what we have given. If I want to make changes, I can make the changes from here. So your URL, no need of making any changes. Admin email, you want to make changes, you can make.
Is there an option to change the URL like manually?
No. URL means either you can update it like this, or else you can update instead of HTTPS, you can update HTTP. That's it. It is not like you change different URL. Now you guys were asking if one website can be managed by multiple users. So that we'll see. So before that, we'll understand about the roles, user roles. Okay. So we have different kind of roles: subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and administrator. So administrator can do anything on the website. They can upload the theme, they can upload the plugin, they can delete the website, they can do anything on the website. Complete control. Editor are the people who can work with pages and posts. They can create posts, they can delete posts, they can edit posts, they can upload images, they can upload videos, everything. They cannot install plugin, they cannot change the theme, they cannot do that. Only they work with pages and posts. Author, they work with pages and posts, but they can only put text. They cannot put any images. If they want to put any images, it should be approved from editor or administrator. Contributor. Contributor can just post, nothing else. Only post, no pages. Author, post and pages. Editor, post and pages with multimedia. Post and pages without multimedia. Only post. Only comment. Or else subscriber is like subscriber, you are giving access and you are making someone as subscriber. It is like you are making fool out of them. They will log into admin panel and they can just see, they cannot do anything. They are the subscriber. Okay, so nothing else to be done. Save changes if you want to make any changes. Okay,
You can have multiple authors.
yes, you can have multiple. So we have the thing here, users. So right now there is an admin. I want to add more people in, so I keep add new. I can give the username. I have to give the email ID. I'm just putting demo things. First name, last name, website. Now website is what? The same website, and the URL is this for logging in. So you have to give this admin URL. Generate password, you can generate password, or else you can type your own if you want. And then what you want to assign them, what role. So you can give the role. I want to make this person as editor. And once you are adding this user, they will get an email on this that you have been added as an admin. Here is the URL. You can log in. So one,
He can be second admin.
yes, you can make him a second admin. You can add multiple admin, but that is a threat.
Yeah.
If they can remove you from admin. They will make you subscriber. Then gone. So that is the reason you should not make anyone admin. If you want them to work, you log in and you say, okay, now you work. Or else you make them editor. Admin has to be only very much trustable person, or else not. Or else you should have the backup of complete website. So if someone is deleting you from here, from the admin, you made someone admin, they are deleting. So what you do, you have the hosting control, you remove WordPress from that. Now he is also one. Then again install WordPress and restore the backup. Yeah. So this is all about your WordPress. So simple. Nothing
There are
else.
multiple options and
Very easy. I don't have to enter into any code. We just have to use plugins. So now we have to authenticate many codes.
adding and editing process easier than WordPress.
Once again,
Adding and editing posts is easier in WordPress.
yes. You have many options in here. When I create the post,
If I want to create content, product based
so for that, that is different. Product.
blog.
No, I will tell you about the product also. This is about content only. So when we are doing Google Ads, I will tell you how to add products. That is different.
So now I have a theme on my blog for where I like. So now I want to change the theme. So do I have the data?
Data will be there. If you're changing the theme, data will be there. There is
There is no need to store the
no,
data.
nothing. Now see, we have a theme in here. I have created some data. I can change the theme. Theme is just structure of the website. It is not changing anything.
Again, I have to select any responsive theme and
Yes, yes,
all the posts that I have will
be
change
there.
according to the
Yes, yes. You see, all the menu items are there. Previously, it was right hand side. It was looking nicer. Now it is very bold. It is looking ugly. So theme is just changing the structure. That's it. Data is intact. Nothing is happening to the data.
And in the same way, can I store the data from my blogspot and add it on my
Yeah, you can add
in the file?
that. See, from blog content, you want to move to your domain, copy and paste, and delete your blog post. Done. Yes. After adding in the domain, you just add it to the blogspot. And now see, it is in coming soon mode. So I told you about coming soon mode. So coming soon mode, if any any of the user is opening this, it will be in coming soon mode. So now crawlers cannot crawl your website. If your website is in coming soon mode, crawlers cannot take data from your website and put on local server. So they cannot index your data. So until and unless your data is good, you should not remove coming soon mode. So for removing coming soon mode, I click here coming soon. I scroll down, launch with confidence. So if you have so much of confidence, then launch. But after creating at least 10 blog posts with 3 to 400 words in each post with images. Okay, so that's it for today. Then we'll meet tomorrow. So anyone wants to stay for the backup, they can stay for the backup 12:30. Okay, we'll add. Your DNS changed? Change the DNS. RP, you just try logging into your website once, WP admin. If it is not working, connect with the customer care of GoDaddy, because it is installed properly, but nothing is nothing is coming up. So you need to check with the customer care of GoDaddy.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Then we'll meet tomorrow. So anyone who have taken the domain, they want it to be WordPress to be installed, just email. Yeah, guys. Then we'll meet tomorrow. So
So I have to update the DNS.
yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.